Quantum entanglement is one of the most mysterious yet powerful concepts in modern physics, and surprisingly, it holds a direct connection to how you can shape your dream life. Imagine particles so deeply connected that no matter how far apart they are in the universe, the state of one instantly affects the other. Now, imagine applying this principle to your thoughts, emotions, and desires. What if you could entangle your mind with the reality you wish to live in? Today, I will show you how mastering quantum entanglement can allow you to align with the timeline where your dream life already exists, and how you can pull it into your current reality. You see, quantum entanglement teaches us that distance and separation are illusions. Two particles connected in entanglement communicate faster than light, bypassing the limits of space and time. What does that mean for you? It means that your dream version of yourself, the one who already has abundance, health, success, and love, is not separate from you. It already exists in the quantum field, waiting for you to connect with it. When you learn to entangle your consciousness with that version of yourself, reality begins to bend, opportunities align, and your external world shifts to match your inner vibration. Most people are trapped because they believe reality is rigid and unchangeable. They think life happens to them, not for them. But quantum entanglement shows us otherwise. Reality is not fixed. It's fluid. Every possibility exists simultaneously in the quantum field, and the one you experience depends on where your attention and energy are focused. If you constantly focus on problems, fears, and limitations, you entangle with a timeline where those things dominate your life. But if you deliberately shift your focus to abundance, gratitude, and possibility, you entangle with a reality where your dreams already manifest. The first step to using quantum entanglement is awareness. You must become aware of the signals you are constantly broadcasting into the field. Your thoughts are electrical, your emotions are magnetic, and together they create a field of energy around you. That field is entangled with the quantum universe. So if you wake up angry, stressed, or hopeless, you are entangling with a version of life that reflects those states. On the other hand, when you consciously choose elevated emotions like love, joy, and excitement, you entangle with higher vibrational realities that bring opportunities aligned with your dream life. Visualization is a powerful tool in mastering this process. When you visualize your dream life in vivid detail, you are not just imagining. It's as if you are sending a quantum signal into the field. The neurons in your brain fire in the same way, as if the experience were already real. This creates entanglement between your present self and your future self. The more consistently you practice this, the stronger the entanglement becomes, and soon, circumstances in the external world begin to shift to make your vision a reality. Gratitude is another key element. Gratitude is not just an emotion, it's an energetic frequency. When you feel gratitude for something that hasn't yet happened, you trick your subconscious into believing it already exists. This entangles your energy with the timeline where it's already true. Over time, you collapse the wave of possibilities and pull that reality into existence. It's like sending a signal to the universe saying, "This is already mine." And the universe responds with synchronicities, opportunities, and people who help manifest it. You may have noticed moments in your life where coincidences felt too perfect to ignore. Meeting the right person at the right time, finding unexpected money, or being guided to the exact information you needed. These are not accidents. They are quantum entanglement in action. Your energy field is constantly interacting with the quantum universe, and when you align with your desired state, reality organizes itself to match your frequency. Now, skeptics often argue that entanglement is just a scientific phenomenon with no bearing on human lives. But leading-edge researchers and thought leaders are showing otherwise. Dr. Joe Dispenza, for example, explains that your brain and heart create measurable electromagnetic fields that extend beyond your body. These fields interact with the quantum realm, influencing matter and attracting experiences. In simple terms, your thoughts and emotions are not confined to your body. They ripple into the universe and entangle with your future. To harness this, you need daily rituals. Meditation is one of the most effective practices because it quiets the analytical mind and allows you to access the subconscious. In meditation, you can visualize your dream life, generate the feelings of already living it, and entangle your energy with that reality. When you return to waking consciousness, you carry that entanglement with you, and over time, reality bends to match the inner blueprint. Another powerful technique is scripting. This means writing about your dream life as if it already exists. When you write in the present tense, I am abundant, I am healthy, I am living my dream, you reinforce the entanglement between your current self and your future self. The act of writing crystallizes your intention and sends a clear signal into the quantum field. But here's the catch: consistency is key. Quantum entanglement doesn't happen overnight. Just like two particles take time to align, your consciousness needs repetition and focus. Many people give up too soon because they don't see immediate results. But the truth is, every thought, every meditation, and every act of gratitude is strengthening the entanglement. The universe is rearranging itself behind the scenes, and with patience, the shift becomes undeniable. One common mistake people make is trying to control the how. They want to know exactly how their dream life will unfold, but entanglement doesn't work that way. Your job is not to control the path. It's to align with the frequency. The universe handles the rest. When you let go of control and trust the process, doors open that you never expected. Opportunities arise in ways that seem impossible to the logical mind. Think about it. If two entangled particles can influence each other instantly across galaxies, don't you think your energy can attract the right person, opportunity, or breakthrough in your own city, job, or relationship? The universe is far more connected than we realize. Once you accept this, you stop doubting and start expecting miracles. Another layer to this is your environment. If you constantly surround yourself with negativity, gossip, and fear-driven media, you are reinforcing entanglement with lower realities. But if you curate your environment, listening to uplifting content, surrounding yourself with inspired people, and feeding your mind with empowering ideas, you strengthen the entanglement with your dream timeline. Your body is also part of this process. When you care for your health, through exercise, good nutrition, and rest, you raise your frequency. A low-energy body produces weak signals, while a vibrant, energized body sends out powerful entanglement into the field. Taking care of your physical vessel is just as important as visualizing or meditating. Over time, as you practice these principles, you'll notice something amazing. Life becomes effortless. Things that once felt impossible start flowing naturally. You'll look back and realize that the person you used to be, stressed, doubtful, limited, has been replaced by someone aligned, confident, and magnetic. This is the power of quantum entanglement in action. One of the most beautiful aspects of this process is that it doesn't just benefit you. When you entangle with your dream life, you inspire others around you. Your energy influences your family, friends, and even strangers. Just as one particle can affect another instantly, your elevated state can ripple out into the lives of others, creating a chain reaction of positive change. The truth is, your dream life is not far away. It already exists in the quantum field. The only question is, are you entangling with it, or with the version of reality you don't want? Every choice you make, every thought you think, every emotion you feel, determines the answer. So today, I invite you to make a decision. Decide to entangle with the timeline where your dream life exists. Visualize it, feel it, write about it, meditate on it, and live as if it's already true. The more you practice, the stronger the entanglement becomes, until one day, you wake up and realize you're already living it. Remember, quantum entanglement is not just a scientific curiosity. It's a key to unlocking your true potential. The universe is waiting for you to align, to connect, and to entangle with the life you've always dreamed of. So don't wait for the perfect moment. The moment is now. Master entanglement, master your mind, and watch as your dream life unfolds before your eyes.